Good morning, class. Now today we are going to continue with this second chapter in workbook, that is Peep Meets a Convict. Now today we are going to do these exercises. They are triplets. First, in the first one, you have to make oral sentences of your own about the three girls in the pictures below. Use the word given in the box. These are the words in the box. These are the three girls here. First one is Malini, second one is Rupa, and the third one is Nomita. I hope you all can see these three pictures. In these three pictures, you have to use the words given in the box. You have to make sentences using these three girls. In the first sentence, you have to use same as. In the second one is not the same as, and in the third one different from. For examples, Malini's face is same as Rupa's. Now, in the second one, Rupa's height is not the same as Nomita's. In the third one, Nomita's skirt is different from Rupa's. Nomita's skirt is different from Rupa. Now, let me explain you. Malini's face is same as Rupa. Malini's face, see, I hope you all can see, Malini's face is same as Rupa. Rupa's height is not the same as Nomita. As you all can see, Nomita is a bit longer and the Rupa is bit shorter. So their heights are not same. Nomita's skirt is different from Rupa's. Nomita's skirt is different from Rupa's. I hope you all can see the difference between them. Now let us move to the exercise. This exercise is on page number 19, second chapter. Now the exercise is write sentences about the three girls. Use the same as and the word in the brackets. These are the word given in the bracket. First one is dog, second one is hair, and the third one is blouse. Using the word same as, you have to form the sentence here. Now in the first one, as you all can see, we can show that Malini's dog is same as Rupa's. So in the first sentence, we are going to write this only. Malini's dog is same as Rupa's. Now, in the second one, you have to use hair. Now, here we write the sentence. Rupa's hair length is same as Malini's. Now, let us move to the third one. In the third one, the word given is blouse. So, the third sentence will be Malini's blouse design is same as Rupa's. Now, in these sentences, we have used same as. Now, in the second one, you have to use is not aren't the same as to write these sentences about the girls. About these three girls, you have to write the sentences using is not or aren't. So, in the first one, you have to use hair. The first sentence will be Nomita's hair aren't the same as Malini's. Now, in the second one, you have to use nose. So, the sentence will be Rupa's nose is not the same as Nomita's. In the third sentence, you have to use the word shoes. So the sentence will be Malini's shoes aren't as same as Nomita's. Now here we complete the word using isn't or aren't. Now in the fourth one, you have to use different from to write these sentences about the girl. Use different from. Now we have to use the word different from to write these sentences about the girls. And so the first sentence will be, you have to use the word bag here. So the first sentence will be, Rupa's bag is different from Nomita's. Now in the second one, you have to use the word watch. So in the B one, the sentence will be, Malini's watch is different from Rupa's. So we have used different from in this sentence also. Now let us move to the C1. Here you have to use the word earrings. So the sentence will be, Malini's earrings is different from Rupa's. In this sentence, you can also write Malini earrings, cut is and write R over here. Malini earrings are different from Rupa's. So this one is the correct sentence. I hope you all have understood these exercises. Now write it in your book only. Use pencil, don't use pen in the homework. I hope, and we have completed this second chapter in workbook. So homework for you all is to revise this chapter. Thank you.